In today's video, I'm gonna test a vinyl from Econotransfer vinyl. If you want to know what vinyl it is, stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy, Flex McKenzie. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test a new vinyl from Econotransfer. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Yeah! So we're gonna test out vinyl today. I'm gonna test it on one of my workout outfit in today's video. You know, it's what I'm gonna wear at the gym. So I'm hoping it's gonna be, I shouldn't even say hope, I know it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Vinyl that I'm gonna test today is the black EconoCarbon HDV. That's what we're gonna test in today's lovely video. Hold on, before we jump into any video, you know what I'm gonna tell you guys. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, share this video, drop your boy a comment. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Leave me a comment. Anyway, here we go. So this is what the vinyl look like. Okay, EconoCarbon vinyl. So I'm gonna test it today. I know it's gonna look so beautiful. I'm gonna test it on something gray because I know it's gonna come out fantastic. And then maybe we do a wash test. I don't know. I don't think we need to do a wash test because Econo already proved their that their vinyls are really good, because I already put some of their vinyl, at least one or two of their vinyl, to a wash test and it held up. So I'll put a video like here so you can go check out one of their stuff right here. So we're gonna do it at 300 for 10 to 12 seconds. I'm gonna do 300 12 seconds. And like all vinyl, we don't want to wash it. We need to wait 24 hours before we wash it. But like I said, I'm not gonna wash test it because I know the vinyl is gonna hold up, just like my favorite, the B-FLEX. And the good thing about this, you could put it on 100% cotton, 50-50, 100% polyester, leather, and yada yada. You could add this bad boy on too. So why don't we just quickly, right now, just get into the home run this vinyl is gonna provide us. What I like about this vinyl, the look of it, you guys can't really see it, but it's almost like a, well, we all know what carbon look like, right? This look like almost like a snake skin, like they shed or something. But anyway, it's beautiful. You know, I was watching T-Shirt Chick and I didn't want to stop watching. Right now I think she's doing a big design. So actually it's called huge design. So anyway, let's get back to the video. Not kidding you. So this is the EconoCarbon black. Okay, so this is the black EconoCarbon HTV, and it is beautiful. I'm really loving it. Look. Now this is a brand new jogger that I'm gonna be wearing, and you all, if you want to see me wear this, you got to check out my other channel and subscribe to it, and then you will see me wear it. You know, my link is down below. And if you guys want to check this out, if you want to go try their carbon, this is new that they carry on their site. They only have it for a little while. You could head over to Econotransfer. The link is down below. Use my link, please, because I get a small little commission, so I can continue making these videos and keep on showing you new vinyl that they drop. But look, it's very, very beautiful. Put it on something white or whatever color, gray, cream. Just put it on something. Head over there and try the EconoCarbon transfer. This is the black one. I believe they also have a white, but go over there, you check it out, and then come back after you try it, because I know you're gonna love it. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment. Also go check out the vinyl stand where you could go get your B-FLEX Gimme5. My link is down below. Go check it out, and also go to www.comfortstyles.com. That's your bad boy website. And hit up my other channel, subscribe to it. The link is down below. I love you all. Thank you very much for the support. Come on, by the end of the year, get me to 10,000 subscribers. I'm gonna keep dropping videos non-stop. I'm not slowing down, promise. So right now, let me go make another video. I'll catch you on my next video. I'm out.